Hey guys, Matt here from Greensward, down here in Chesapeake, Virginia, really close to Virginia Beach. So it's the fall time. Bermuda grass is gonna start to go dormant. You know, it's a great time to really start to raise your mowing heights with the Bermuda grass. You know, think of it as a coat, like you'd wear in the wintertime. If you scalp it down now, you're exposing some of the juvenile leaf blades, the crown, to decreased temperatures and high winds over the wintertime. Snow is not a bad thing, but really it's those dry days where it gets down in the teens and the wind's howling. Those are some days that can desiccate your turf. So what you want to do is raise your mowing height up on any type of warm season turf going into the wintertime, especially in the transition zone or further north. So again, raise those mowing heights up, create that blanket or winter coat for your warm season turf, and give it the opportunity to really come back in the springtime. And in the springtime, that's when you want to scalp it down. All this is going to be a brown color, kind of like this guy right here. And that's what, if you want to get aggressive with mowing and get it down, you can scalp it down. It also generates more heat into these rhizomes and stolons and crowns of the plant. That's when you want to start to scalp it. But now we want to give it a winter coat. So leave it as long as you feel comfortable with. The longer, the better. When we were mowing fairways at the country club I used to work for, we would stop mowing in late September into October because we wanted the fairways to grow up. We wanted the rough to grow up to keep that blanket through the winter time. So again, it's eventually going to turn brown, but just another way to keep it green in the springtime and the summer.